Did you know that? Deep in the ocean, where the light barely touches, lurks a predator with a shell 8 meters long, named Camarasaurus. This colossal hunter has evolved beyond the need for sight in its dark, murky world. Instead, it captures its prey through touch, sensing the slightest movement in the water. Its target, the elusive Twilight, must constantly navigate the fine line between visibility and oblivion. Armed with a scissor-like beak capable of slicing through the toughest armor, Camarasaurus is a testament to the incredible adaptations of sea creatures. Witness the dance of predator and prey, a survival game in the ocean's depths.